Hi, good afternoon, everyone. Hope you guys are doing good, and I'm doing good too. And hey, it's raining here. What a beautiful, lovely day. So here I am with my second day of the series I recommend. So I'll start with two of my very special products today. So let to begin with, I for the skin, I have started recently using this Nykaa Skin Sheet Mask. It's a wonderful, wonderful product. And what do I say about this? It is actually a mask which has peptides plus goji berry for the firm and lifting up of our skin. As per my age, this mask has really done wonders. And I use it like once a week, and it immediately once I use it and I remove it, the serum on the skin has to be sort of left for some time, and it just blends with the face, and it gives immediate nourishment to the skin, and I can feel the difference when I see myself in the mirror. And they are very, very reasonable, such so easily available on Nykaa, and I am kind of obsessed with this product. Okay, now talking about the goodness of the products, the goji berry, the nutrient goji berry, is an organic, dense soup considered as a superfood for the skin. It gives longevity to your skin, enhances skin's natural moistures. The peptides are essential amino acids that promote natural production of collagen, and making it a very firm and glowing skin and a youthful skin. So I use this mask for a very, very intense nourishment when I want. Like I use it once a week, but I'm totally satisfied with. I think that much is enough once a week using this mask. And if you refrigerate it and then use it, it is such an awesome feeling because it gives that cooling effect on the face for around 15 to 20 minutes. And then once you just take it off, the serum remains, and just the serum should just blend in with the skin. And then after that, you don't have to wash it or remove the serum, that the serum blends with the skin. And then as we regularly do, we can just apply some moisturizer or mild toner or something, and then just stay the whole day. It can be applied in the day or at night. So goji berry is an Indian fruit, and this mask actually has been made as per the Indian skin tones, and taking into consideration the typical Indian skincare products, which are like rose, turmeric, and the goodness of all these, which our grandmothers and our mothers used to use. It focuses on the Korean technology, which is the sheet mask technology. The beauty secrets of the soils of India meet the cutting edge technology of the Korea, which I think is really great. And it's a luxury mask for sure with the Indian goodness. So that's an awesome thing. It's a made in India product with all the Indian goodness. And guys, I recommend this wholeheartedly, and you will thank me for this, I'm pretty sure. So please go ahead. And this one actually, it has got a lot of variants, but this one is my favorite, this peptides and goji berry for firmness and lifting of the skin, because I'm not into too much of facials and cleanups and all that. I hardly take these sittings in the salon. Whatever I do it at home. I prefer doing things at home, taking care of my skin. So this is like an amazing product, hands down. And yeah, one more thing I just wanted to say, that all the sheet masks of Nykaa are of dual goodness, which gives dual benefits, like it is avocado and goat milk, or it will be rose and something else. And like this one is with peptides and goji berry, so it has all got their own uniqueness and its own goodness for the skin and its own exclusivity. So yeah, please try this, and you will thank me for this for sure. Okay, now quickly, my second product for the day is this. This is a Lotus skin toner, and I've been recently like using it past 3 months now, and I tell you guys, you will really be thankful that I recommended you. I know, I'm pretty sure that a lot of people must already be using it, and this is such a wonder product that and it is so easy, super easy to use. You have to just, so it comes in this glass bottle and a spray, so you need to just quickly spray it around the face, and then I just dab it like this all over, and it gives an in, intense brightness to the face. And it is what do I talk about, the Lotus Organics. It is 100% natural, totally an organic product. It is alcohol free, paraben free, sulfate free, cruelty free, then it doesn't have any artificial color or fragrance, and so it is so easy to use, very lightweight. Weight, so there is no weight at all. Weight के बारे में बोलना भी यहाँ गलत हो जाएगा. And as the name suggests that it is divine, it is the divine petals toner, so really it is divine. Please use it, and I hope you guys will take this and order it, because really this has suited me so much, and I can easily carry it on my in the bag also if I'm like working and it's a really tiring day and I need a sort of a hydration and just a sort of immediate if I need an immediate pepping up to the skin, and so I just carry it in my bag, and you can just spray it around and immediately it refreshes the whole thing. So yeah, please go ahead, try these products of mine today. There are two. This once again I repeat, Nykaa skin sheet masks, and this Lotus Organics Divine Petals Toner Mist, this one. Okay guys, stay happy, spread happiness, spread love, because we are all like, with this whole corona thing, I know it has affected all of us, so am I, but then I think spreading love and spreading positivity is the best thing that we can do right now. Spread love as much as you can, stay happy, and enjoy a beautiful skincare routine weekend with these wonderful awesome products, the toner and the Nykaa skin sheet mask. And yes, have a blessed weekend. Bye bye, love you all, thank you.